guys, this is Frijolita. Today we're going to learn how to download and use the app Edpuzzle on your iPhone or iPad. First things first, let's go to the App Store. Click on the App Store button. Then we're going to search for the Edpuzzle app. Go to the search bar and type in Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle, Edpuzzle. Do you see it at the top? Click on it and then click Get. It will want verification to download. Wait a little bit and it will load. When it says Open, click Open. It will take you to the app. For now, we're not going to create a new account. Click on Enter Open Class Code. Now, type in the code that your teacher sent you. I'm typing in my friend Carly's class code. Select the class and enter a nickname. I'm entering my name, Frijolita. I'm also adding HH at the end, just so my teacher can be sure that it's me, Heather Hartman. When you enter the class, there will be 3 tabs at the top: Due, No Due Date, and Completed. Due means the teacher has a plan. There is a certain day that you must finish this assignment. No due date means there is no day that you must finish the assignment. You can take the assignment at your own pace and do it whenever you want. Completed will show all of the videos I have already watched. I have also answered all of the questions assigned with the video. When I want to watch a video, all I need to do is click it and then click play. See, it's that easy.